Hey everybody, it is me. It's Stephanie. I want to show you these labels, dissolvable food labels. Okay, so the company sent me this for my honest opinion. Now I'm just getting around to using it. So I haven't used it before. I just opened the box, and it has this a little flyer in it. Let me see what it says. Okay, has a flyer in it like that. So it's basically showing you what you could use this for. And it has the back. I want to put my hand right there. Okay, it has the back and it's showing you what it is. Okay, so sometimes, I know with me, lots of times, I'm cooking something and I need to put a label on it, and I just want to know, because I want to know what it is later on, whether I want to freeze it or not, or whether I just want to put it in the refrigerator. I just don't remember. Maybe you don't even remember the date that you did it. So that's what this is. But you can wash it off because it's dissolvable. Because you get it on your stuff and then you can't get it off. That's why you don't want to put it on in the first place, because you can't get it off. So let's just try one. I see that here's a label right here. All right. Okay, let me just start with this one. I got a label right here. What does it say here? Brewing America. That's the name of the company. So I'm going to put it on my container right here. I use this thing often, so thank goodness I could see through it. But imagine if you had something you couldn't see through, you don't know what's in it, right? So what I'm going to do is put chicken, right? Chicken. And the day's date. So if I was to look at this, I would know that there was chicken in here and when I had put it in here, right? Okay, now we're ready to wash the dishes and get this thing done. So hold on, I want to get to the sink, and we are going to see how this thing works. All right, I am on in my sink just because. Let me just close this up because I don't want to wash it again. All right, so supposedly, look at that. I didn't even touch it. Look how it comes right off. Look at that. Comes right off. I didn't touch it at all. You see that, right? You see, it came right off with no problem. That's what you're trying to do. You have those things that just won't. It just won't come off. It takes forever. You gotta like scrub it and everything else. You saw how that came right off? Beautiful product. I already love it. Thank you guys for sending it to me, and I definitely will be using this.